Well, the storms hitting Arizona are making their way through California first. Storms have already been destructive in that state.
Yeah, we're talking severe flooding, mudslides, several rescues. Thousands of people have been evacuated from their homes, and the amount of damage still up in the air right now. But we know several communities are going to need help with the cleanup.
Now, some volunteers from Arizona are stepping up to take action there with those crews. ABC15's Amelia Fabiano following them and their journey this morning right now, Amelia, because they really need the help.
Yeah, they absolutely do. And of course, us here in Arizona, we're no strangers to flooding, to Mother Nature causing natural disasters. So they want to step up and help. And this is really historic flooding that California is seeing. It's devastated such a big portion of the state. Torrential storms have been sweeping across the state for days on end now. So in Orange County, emergency responders have braved rapid waters to save some locals. In Belmont, which is near the San Francisco Bay Area, police responded to a mudslide and trees down, really dangerous conditions. The California governor's office tweeted that swift water and flood teams rescued about 175 San Joaquin County residents yesterday. The Arizona volunteer I spoke to tells me she's helping out in Santa Clara County right now. The people she's been working with and helping have understandably been stressed and depressed about the situation and really what their future looks like there. She says it's been raining nonstop almost every single day, which of course isn't helping the situation at all. The shelter she's working with mainly helps people experiencing homelessness who had to be moved off these flooded streets, but also people who lost their physical homes due to the flooding. The shelter gives them a roof over their heads, food, showers, medical and mental health care. She tells me this is something she really felt called to go help with.
I worked for the Army for more than 30 years and I retired 2 years ago. So that's my way of paying forward because the government has been good to me. So I'm just doing whatever little I can to pay it forward.
Yeah, dedicating a lot of time too. She's doing the overnight shift right now, so 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. She's about halfway through a 2-week stint, so a lot of hard work. I also checked with meteorologist Iris Hermosillo. She tells me the state will be impacted by this rain through at least tomorrow, with the potential for even more storms at the end of the week. Allison?